In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message that says your graphics processor is incompatible in Photoshop. So there's two steps that you need to take in order to fix this. The first is to head over to your Start menu and just search for Device Manager and then click on the Device Manager window. Then you need to come down to Display Adapters and expand this drop down, and from here you need to locate and take note of your graphics card. So for me, I have a NVIDIA graphics card, so that's what I'll be demonstrating in this video. But if you do have a different graphics card, then the steps will be somewhat similar. You just need to make sure that you update the drivers for your specific graphics card. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card like myself, you just need to head over to an internet browser and type in NVIDIA app, download, and hit enter. Then click on this top search result and you'll need to go ahead and download the NVIDIA app. Then you'll simply need to launch this app and go through the instructions on the screen to install it to your computer. Once you've installed the NVIDIA app, you can then simply head over to the Start menu and search for NVIDIA and launch up the application. This should take you to this screen here, and from the left hand side you need to select drivers. Then click on the Check for Updates button in the top right hand side, and if there's a pending update for any drivers in here, you'll need to click this download button to install the latest drivers to your device. Once you've installed these latest drivers, you then need to head over to the Start menu of your computer and search for Settings. Click on the Settings window, and from the left hand side select System. Click on Display and then scroll down and select Graphics. Then what we need to do here is add Photoshop to our list of applications. So to do this, click on the Browse button and locate where your Photoshop is saved to. For most people, it's going to be on your C drive, in Program Files, in the Adobe folder, and you should be able to see Adobe Photoshop 2024. So I'm going to double click on that like so. And then if you scroll all the way down, you'll have this application here, Photoshop.exe. Double click on that. And then that's going to add Adobe Photoshop to this list. Then you can press Options and make sure you have High Performance selected and hit Save. Now once you've done this, you can try launching out Photoshop, and that should have fixed any error messages. You may need to restart your computer if it's still not working, but it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.